What's going on, everybody? Happy October 1st. Welcome to another monthly announcement video. Guys, let me tell you something. In this announcement video, we just got done with RV open house, and you guys are seeing those videos play out now. And let me tell you something. The RV industry is changing, and I think it's changing for the better because these manufacturers are freaking out. So I'm super excited to tell everybody. In this video, I am also going to mention the Novi show, which is this week coming up. And we're giving away 250 free bottles of Liquified. I'm going to tell you about that. And I just have a couple other announcements about some amazing deals and some pre-owned units. So let's get into the announcement of this video. Guys, as you saw the last couple days, we haven't had any RV reviews on the show. And somebody said, oh, I'm so confused. Why aren't you putting MSRPs? Why aren't you putting sale prices? Guys, for the past couple days and for the next few days, there won't be any RV reviews. Actually, we might have an RV review on Monday because we need it to go out before the Novi show. But again, for the next few days, there won't be reviews. We're doing what's new for 2024. Me, Will, Jen, and Andrea, we just got back from Elkhart, Indiana at open house, and we were checking out these manufacturers and what they were doing. And let me tell you guys something. You guys are seeing on Izzy and MJ's channel, they're putting up some videos. By the way, love Izzy and MJ. They're great friends of mine. So don't feel like I'm trashing them because I'm 100% not. But you see them do two different videos. One video of reports saying shipments are down, manufacturers are down, sales are down, Armageddon in the RV industry, right? But then you see another video, and this isn't them saying this, but another article saying sales are up. So what's going on, right? Here's what's going on, guys. Working in the RV industry here at the dealership, yes, manufacturer numbers are down. We as dealership folk, we are not purchasing 2024 or newer inventory as fast as what we were doing in past. Here's what I will say. General RV always does a fantastic job, but I'm just saying the RV industry as a whole. And the reason why is because a lot of dealerships still have 2023 and 2022 inventory sitting on their dealerships' lots. Now, with that said, sale prices have been fan-freaking-tastic, y'all. I'm telling you, I'm seeing some amazing sale prices on all this inventory. So, if you guys see a 2022 or 2023, you're gonna wanna scoop that up. But what's crazy is, General is getting really aggressive, and we're seeing some crazy prices even on the 2024s because, you know, General has that buying power. And so what I always like to tell people is, if you're looking at a 23 and a 24, it better be a great deal on the 23, especially if the 24 is almost around the same price. But again, you also got to look at interior color schemes, exterior color schemes, and everything like that. My whole point is, if you're seeing these units in their phenomenal deals, what I'm trying to say is, now's the time to buy because you can get some incredible deals. Because a year ago, this time, a year and a half ago, RVs were 10-15% off MSRP, and now you're seeing a lot bigger discounts. And then what's really exciting for me is these RV manufacturers, if you saw in 2021 and 2022, they like deleted their brochures. They like stripped down their floor plans. Manufacturers used to make 10, 11, 12 different floor plans, and they simplified it down to only making their best-selling 3 or 4. And again, that was a good business decision on their end because it's cheaper to make 100 of one floor plan than do 20 of 5 floor plans, if that makes sense. So they're only making their popular best-selling stuff. For me as an RV reviewer, I hated that. I like new, I like fresh, I like innovating. And let me tell you something, I am super excited for what you guys are gonna see this week with what's new for 2024. Coachman, Integra, Tiffin, Alliance, Grand Design, more Grand Design. Brinkley didn't switch up anything because they're still brand new. But Keystone, Heartland, these manufacturers are doing insane things right now, and that's what they have to do, because there was one manufacturer, and we don't sell them, and I don't want to call them out because I don't want my opinion to sound biased, because it's gonna sound biased since we don't sell them. But truthfully, I would say this, even if we did sell them, their unit looks the exact same from last year and the year beforehand and the year beforehand. It's like, woo, it's the best seller. It's their best selling floor plan, so we're just gonna keep it that way. And let me tell you guys something, any manufacturer who's talking like that is going to lose in the long run, because nobody wants the same old, same old. People want new and people want innovation. And so I'm really excited to see what these manufacturers are doing. So that's announcement number one. Make sure you guys stick around this week and set your notifications so you guys can see the what's new for 2024s. Great, announcement number two is October 4th through the 8th in Novi, Michigan. It's the Novi, Michigan show. I will link their website down below. I'm going to be there. Becky's gonna be there. It's gonna be a fantastic time. It is the Novi, Michigan, or the Wixom, Michigan area fall show. It's gonna be fan-freaking-tastic. I'm gonna do a couple videos from there showing you guys what awesome deals we have as General RV, and they're getting all the inventory lined up, set up, and ready to go. You know I'm gonna have Matt's Cash, so if you are looking to buy, make sure you find me, get your Matt's Cash, and give it to your salesperson at General RV. Also, what we're doing is every day we're giving away 50 free bottles of Liquified. Absolutely free, no purchase necessary, no strings attached. One bottle per person. If you're a couple and there's a lot of people, please only take one bottle. But if you decide to take one bottle each person, I'm not gonna be mad at you either, as long as you guys are spreading the word about our company Liquified, which is the best RV toilet treatment in the industry. We're gonna be giving away the full 16-ounce bottles of the all-new lavender scent. So it's going to be very, very exciting. And again, 50 free bottles. Make sure you guys set your notifications, because the first day of the show, I will announce how we plan on giving those bottles out. I think it's gonna be at a set time every day. And make sure you guys follow us on our Facebook group, which is called Club Art Deco. I will also link our Facebook group down there, because there is where I will put the actual schedule on how to get the free Liquified. Guys, no purchase necessary. No spend a certain amount of money and get a free bottle. Well, actually, I actually think General's gonna be doing that as well, which is fun, but not for the free bottle, not for the free lavender. None of that, no purchase necessary, no buying an RV, no trading in your old toilet chemical. All you do is be one of the first 50 people at the parts display, and I'm just handing you a bottle, taking a picture with you, handing you a bottle. So it's freaking awesome, and I can't wait to see everybody at the Novi show. Now, the next announcement, let's say you don't want the lavender scent, or let's say you don't want a free bottle, or you miss out on the free bottle, or you want a bottle of the orange. Here's what you can do. First and foremost, I think we will have some for sale at the Novi show. But if you missed the Novi show, or you're not in Novi and you live close to a General RV center, I'm going to show you guys something amazing. Now at your local General RV, you can actually buy Liquified at any local General RV. It's right here. Actually, they had a 32 ounce and another 16 ounce yesterday. It looks like some people are buying it. Thanks, everyone. But you got Unique, you got your Pure Power Blue, you got Wallex, real RV toilet treatment manufacturers, and right front and center, you got Liquified. And as you can see, we're doing a pretty good job. So big shout outs to Lauren Batis, my boss, and General RV for actually stocking this on the shelves. Thank you so much to supporting us as we support you. Again, I want to give a big shout out to Lauren Batis, my boss, owner of General RV, largest family owned and operated dealership in the country. I want to give him a big shout out for supporting Liquified. You just know how it is, and it's hard being a business owner. It's still so weird calling myself that, but I went to a supplier show in California and I just got disrespected by all of these suppliers. Well, let me tell you guys something. We're kicking butt and taking names. We are top of the charts on Amazon, all thanks to you guys. And Lauren, owner of General RV, he believes in us, and that's why he put it on all his store shelves. And I just can't thank him enough. I can't thank Nick and Brian and everybody at General RV enough, Cosmo, Alicia, all of them for getting it on the store shelves. It's really surreal. And let me tell you guys something. I know these distributors aren't going to want to work with us, and guess what? That's fine. We can do this the old-fashioned way, and we'll figure it out. But thank you so much to Lauren, and that's super exciting that you guys can now get Liquified from General RV. Also, that's how you're able to get it from Walmart.com and eBay.com. Make sure you use my specific links, because that's being fulfilled by General RV, and then Amazon.com is being fulfilled by us. So just thank you so much for that. And again, we have the lavender, the easy to drop in tabs, and the orange, and the 16 and 32 ounce. Guys, I have one more announcement for you. Final announcement, guys, is tonight is episode 4 of 5 of Matt's RV Reviews Europe Edition. Make sure you guys tune in tonight on Matt's RV Reviews at 7 p.m. Guys, big shout outs to Brooklyn Bedding for they gave us money, and so that's how we were able to afford to go to Europe, to bring you Matt's RV Reviews Europe Edition again. And I really hope you guys are liking what we did this year. We did less videos, but a lot more units in the videos. And let me tell you something, we have some cool, unique styles of RVs that's going to be in Europe Edition tonight. And you're going to see tonight that Matt's RV Reviews Europe Edition, there's going to be a little banner. We have limited edition, ding, Matt's RV Reviews Europe Edition stickers. We only have like 100 packs or 200 packs or something like that, and they're for sale on our website right now. Go to mattsrvreviews.com. You get all the characters from Matt's RV Reviews Europe Edition, and a prime poop position, and a Matt's RV logo. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna do something really cool with the money. I just can't tell anybody what we're doing with the money yet, but it's not gonna be much money, but we're definitely gonna do something very, very cool. And then finally, make sure if you guys are in the market for a used motorhome, I told a lot of people this that was looking at used during the Hershey show, reach out to one of your salespeople at General RV, because since the Hershey show and since the Novi show, we are getting tons and tons of trade-ins, and people are buying new units and trading in their old units. And these used units, they're here today, gone tomorrow. So if you see something, make sure you guys act fast. Guys, thank you so much for supporting the channel. I don't say that enough. For watching the video, smashing that thumbs up button. I can't tell you how much I love you guys, and we wouldn't be able to do this without you guys, without Lauren at General, without Will and Jen and Andrea, without Becky. And quite frankly, I don't say that enough. So thank you everybody for always watching and supporting and smashing that thumbs up button. Thanks, y'all.